We show you here the instructions for this watch. It's the SKMEI 1257. Very nice watch, water resistant and so on. So it has different functions, different modes. You see here first the normal time, so it's Monday 12:55 on the 9th of July. If you press here, you have it in 12-hour mode, so you see a PM here. If you press here, and it would go to 13:05 and so on, the 24-hour mode. That's this button. By the way, this here is the light button. You can put the light on. I won't show you much further, otherwise you don't need this button here. This one is to select the different modes, and this one to set the time, set the alarm, set something. Yeah, very easy. So you see here the time mode. You press here the mode button, this one. You see the alarm mode. It's right now set on 8:30. You press it again. You have the stopwatch mode. It says ST here. You press it again. You have the dual time, so time somewhere else. And you press it again. You have the timer, which is called here TA, like time attack. Press it again. Okay. Now I show you how to set the time, set the date, or set the year actually. If you press this one very long, 2 seconds or something, then you see something flashing. What is starting to flash? If you press this here long enough, now the seconds are starting to flash, and if you want something else to flash, now you could set the seconds. If you press the down left one, now the hours are flashing, the minutes are flashing, now the year is flashing. The year is important because it calculates whether you have Monday, Tuesday and so on. And now the month is flashing. We have the 9th of July. And now the day is flashing. If you want to set anything like the hours, or in this case here the days, you have to press this here, the upper right one. You press it again and again. If you press it long, then it goes quite quickly. So you want again to the 9th, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have the 9th of July. If you are satisfied with what you have, you press the down right one. Everything okay. Okay, now we go to the alarm mode. You remember here the mode button on the down left. You have the alarm mode. If you want to set the alarm, again, you have to press this one. By the way, if you want to turn it on or off, you also press this one. If you press it one time, it says here ALM, very small print, but it says ALM. You press it again, you have ALM and snooze with the snooze function. And you press it again and it's off. ALM and snooze both off. But if you want to set the alarm time, you press this one here long and the hours start flashing. You can then adjust this here with the top right one. And now you have it on 13:30. And if you want the minutes to flash, you go to the left one. Now the minutes flash, and then you can adjust the minutes. You press this again. And these are here again month and days. If you want to set an alarm for a specific month and day, again you can choose here the month, press again, the days flash, you can choose the day, and if you press it often enough, you can again get the little hyphen or whatever it is here, so that you don't have a specific day or specific month set. Usually you don't want a specific day or month. Again, I go here to the hyphen. So, now you have it set. Now something very important. If you press this one, you go to this function here. And here, this is the screen on which you can toggle the hourly chime on or off, the hourly beep. If you press this here on the down right, you will see SIG, means it's on. Press it again, it's off. Yeah, very easy. Good. I mean, it's important. There are a lot of people who don't know how to turn this off, and there's a lot of discussion on the internet, and no one knows. Now you know. If you press this one again, you have the stopwatch. You're very easy then. Start stopwatch, stop stopwatch, set back. Very easy. Next one is dual time. Again, you can set the other time also with this set button. If you press it long, very easy. And the next mode is time attack. Yeah. So if you want to count down, if you want to bake a cake or something for 46 minutes, you can start it by pressing here. And it goes down for 46 minutes, gives you a beep, and you put the cake out of the oven. You can also stop this here and set this back here. If you want to set the time, you have very clearly, again, this button, press it long, you can set the time, the timer, let's say to 5 minutes for an egg. And you press here again, you have again the time and day and month, everything shown. So, very nice watch. Thank you for listening.